In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create memes in Slack using Giphy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First things first, open up the Slack channel or a direct message where you want to share the GIF. This could be a team channel, a fun little chat with a colleague, or anywhere you feel like spreading some humor. It's all about sharing a good laugh, right? Now in the message box, type /Giphy followed by a keyword or phrase that describes the type of GIF you're looking for. Don't feel limited to simple keywords like happy birthday. The beauty of Giphy is that you can really get creative. Go as specific as you want, or even dive into the absurd. For instance, you could type something funny like cat in a spaceship or excited Shrek. The possibilities are endless. Once you've entered your keywords, just hit enter. Giphy will then search its massive library to find a GIF that matches what you typed. Just a heads up, the results can be as entertaining as they are bizarre. Imagine finding a GIF of Shrek wishing somebody happy birthday while lounging in a bathtub. Yes, it can get wild. To view different options, you can use the shuffle button. It's a great way to browse through various GIFs until one catches your eye. When you land on a GIF you like, simply click send. Congratulations, you've just made someone's day a little brighter. Now, if you're using the mobile app, don't worry. The process is quite similar. The interface might look a bit different, but you'll still have the same fun options at your fingertips. Let's spice things up. If a simple GIF isn't quite enough for you, how about sending a Giphy clip with sound? To do this, again, start by typing /Giphy in the message box. This time, however, instead of just hitting enter, you'll want to select Find and Share a Clip from the drop-down menu. Next, type in your search terms to find the type of clip you want. Then click Search. Just like with GIFs, you can shuffle through the clips until you find one that fits your message just right. And here's a little pro tip. Before you send it off, click on the clip to listen to the audio. A well-timed sound effect can really elevate your message. Now, before you hit that send button and share your GIF magic, here are a few tips for using Giphy in Slack. First, watch what you type. Remember that everyone can see your prompt. If you type happy birthday to random coworker, it might seem funny at first, but that can quickly turn awkward. Also, remember to start your command with a /. If you accidentally type anything before the /, it complicates things by just sending /Giphy to the channel. While it might be a little embarrassing, it also ruins the surprise of your GIF. Be mindful of the number of GIFs you're sharing too. Overloading a conversation with them can be distracting. Keep the fun alive, but let's not overwhelm our coworkers. And don't forget to tailor your search to your audience. A GIF that's suitable for a lighthearted chat might not be appropriate in a professional thread. So there you have it. Now you're ready to spread some joy through GIFs